How to acquire Human Charity Token. Download Trust Wallet, and then click on Open. Secure your Trust Wallet. Do not share your recovery phrase. Click on D Apps. Open PancakeSwap. Set slippage to 12%. Buy Human Charity Token from BNB. And enjoy your trade with us. Add Human Charity Token to wallet. To show the balance of Human Charity Token, you have to add Human Charity Token to the Trust Wallet manually. Tap on the toggle sign on the upper right corner. Search for the Human Charity Token, and if the coin is not available, you can scroll down to the bottom of the list and click Add Custom Token button. Make sure to change network to Smart Chain. Fill up the details. Now paste Human Charity Token contract address here. You can copy it from Human Charity Token website. Human Charity Token successfully added on the main wallet screen. The Human Charity Token will now appear.